In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a resume in Google Docs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Google Docs. Just type Google Docs into your search bar or access it through your Google account. Once you're in, select the option for a blank document. This blank canvas will be our starting point for crafting an impressive resume. Now that you have a blank document open, it's time to set up your page. You'll want to take a moment to adjust the page settings. Click on File, then Page Setup. Here, you can modify margins to your liking and choose a font that is both professional and easy to read, like Arial or Times New Roman. Make sure to set the font size to around 12 points for the main text, but don't hesitate to increase it for your name. Speaking of your name, let's add that at the very top. Type your name in a larger font size, maybe around 16 or 18 points. Ensure it stands out because this is the first thing a recruiter is going to see. You want to make a strong initial impact. Directly below your name, include a professional title. This could be your current role, like marketing specialist, or your desired position, such as project manager. This gives immediate clarity about who you are and where you want your career to go. Next, we need to add a separator. This can simply be a horizontal line to visually distinguish your header information from the rest of your content. You can insert a line by clicking on Insert, then choosing Horizontal Line. This little touch keeps your resume organized. Now let's enter your contact details. This section should include your phone number and email address. Keep it concise and professional. You want the recruiter to have easy access to your information without any clutter. Remember to avoid personal details like your home address for privacy reasons. Once that's done, we move on to writing a professional summary. This is a brief paragraph where you can showcase who you are, highlight some of your key strengths, and express the type of role you're seeking. Keep it short and impactful. Think of it as your elevator pitch. Next, we're going to detail your work experience. Start with your most recent position and work backward. For each job, include your title, the company name, and the dates you worked there. Don't forget to add a few bullet points outlining your key achievements or responsibilities in that role. This is your chance to shine and demonstrate how you added value to your previous employers. After detailing your work history, it's time to add your education. Create a section titled Education and list your degree, the name of your university, and the year you graduated. This information is crucial, especially if you're early in your career. We're almost there. At the bottom of your resume, add a skills section. This is where you'll list tools, software, or specific abilities that are relevant to the job you're applying for. Tailor these skills to match the job description whenever possible. Finally, it's time to save or share your masterpiece. Go to the File menu and choose to download your completed resume in formats like PDF or Microsoft Word. Alternatively, you can share it directly with friends or potential employers. And that's it. You've just created a polished resume in Google Docs. I hope you found these tips helpful. Good luck with your job search.